Are you leasing beats as an artist? Do you want to know how much money your contract says you can actually make from those leased beats? Find out next, coming up on the Music Money Makeover show. What is going on, everybody? My name is Casey Graham. Welcome back to the Music Money Makeover show. I want to thank everybody for downloading the Profit Maximization Checklist below and the Musician's Guide to Self-Publishing #1 below. As I've been saying over the last couple weeks, #2 is on the way. If you don't have those yet, you can download those below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then you might want to go ahead and do that, because I guarantee you're going to want to do that after the end of the video, and plus all the other videos you watch on this channel. If you pick this video up on the side of another video that you might have been watching, thank you for clicking on it. Anyway, let's jump into the topic for today, and that is, as an artist, when you lease a beat, these Beatstars beat lease contracts, or these beat lease contracts period, that you give you a set amount of money that they're going to allow you to make, and I'm going to go through that today. So today is the artist perspective. Last week we went over the producer's perspective on the 3 royalties that you would lose leasing your beats, and I'll pop that in the corner right there. But this week, this is the artist perspective on how much money these beat lease contracts allow you to make. I'm going to step it up in 3 tiers during this episode. So obviously your contract is non-exclusive, so we want to make sure that that is stated plain and clear, and then we'll go over what that non-exclusive is. All right, so now what else do we have here? They're going to allow you to do 1 song, right? And 1 song, rightfully so. Come on, man, it's like 25, 50 bucks. 1 song only, don't get greedy. They're going to allow you to sample this song as well, which is new from way back when I was leasing beats. I wasn't allowing people to sample, but now they put that into the standard beat lease contract from Beatstars. So they can allow you to sample. You can sample these beats if you're a producer. If you hear something you like and you want to chop it up, you can do that as well. You're going to get the right to perform the song publicly. All right, now this is good for you, especially if you register your songs with your PRO. You want to know how much money you can make when you perform your song publicly after it's registered with the PRO. I'll pop that right here. All right, let's keep going. They're only going to allow you to get 2 radio stations, whether it be satellite or terrestrial. They didn't say how many actual webcast radio stations you can get, and there's a lot of money that you can get from campaigning through webcast radio, so look out for that. Also, let's see, 1 music video. Now, they have a limit on the amount of streams you can make on your music video, anywhere from 100,000 streams to 500,000 streams, all right? But they're only allowing you to do 1, and maybe you can do some promotional stuff on Instagram with it. I'm quite sure they'll slide on that, but that's available as well. 500 physical or digital downloads. Now, let's break this number down here, okay? You're gonna sell these digital downloads from anywhere from $1.29 to 99 cents, but let's just say you're doing it for the standard price of 99 cents. That's $495. Apple Music, well, actually iTunes, not Apple Music. iTunes or any other digital download stores will take their cut, and that will be anywhere from 30% to 50%. Some do take that much, but we're gonna do iTunes standard tax on it, which is 30%. So $495 minus 30%, which is $148.50, will leave you with $346.50. Now, off of those 500 downloads, that's what the contract from Beatstars will allow you to do, unless they increase it to 500,000, or I'm not 500,000 downloads, that'd be a lot, but I mean 1,000 downloads. All right, I'm getting ahead of myself here. Next thing, 100,000 monetized streams. All right, I had to keep my math together just to keep it straight. Now, these beat lease contracts can go anywhere from 100,000 monetized streams up to, let's say, 500,000 streams, so to speak, if they're very lenient, so to say. All right, that can amount, on an average stream rate of 0.005, it can go anywhere from, at 100,000 streams, $500. You see this number comes back again. If you bump it up to 250,000 streams, depending on what contract or what producer you're getting it from, it'll allow you to make up to $1,250. And then if you can do so great as to playlist it and get it up to 500,000 streams, you can get around $2,500 if you own everything. Like if you didn't, do any features or nothing like that. Okay, $2,500 for the 500,000 monetized streams. And then of course they do anywhere from the 100,000 non-monetized to the 500,000 non-monetized streams. So I just want to let you keep this in perspective. On average, they're going to allow the contracts to stay at 100,000 monetized streams. That's roughly $500 on the streams. And then they're going to also allow it to stay at 500 digital downloads, which after you see I ran my math, it brings you round to about $375, right? Or no, excuse me, $350. So another couple things here. Obviously, no synchronization to television and film, because if you did that, you'd have to talk to the producer, get clearance from the producer. There's a much bigger check involved. There's a lot more contractual obligations involved. So no synchronization to television, film, independent film, video games, none of that stuff. All right. And then also we got to look at the copyright. Now I'm gonna put up a video right here in the corner. I'm gonna pop it right there with a little eye. Put it right there on what copyright means in the U.S. And I'm going to tell you what it means in this Beatstars contract. So the music producer will not transfer the master sound recording rights to the music. That means that they will give you, that means the money that you paid took care of the transference of the sound recording rights to you. Obviously, you would be the record company. They did not do that. This was a lease. So they state that in the contract, okay? Then also, you cannot register the new sound recording with the U.S. Copyright Office. Why can you not register the new sound recording with the U.S. Copyright Office? Because they did not transfer you the sound recording rights to the beat in the first place. It was a non-exclusive lease. Therefore, you cannot do that step. All right. And if you want to know more about copyright, then you can view this video above. Now, for those of you all who haven't downloaded the profit maximization checklist, I suggest you do that down below. And then also download the Musician's Guide to Self-Publishing #1. It's going to teach you how to capitalize on the money that I just talked about in this video right here. Everything is down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. That's been it for this show. Check back next week. We will go over the same exact contract from the producer's perspective. Don't forget to watch the producer's perspective of leasing beats, the lost 3 royalties that producers leave on the table from Beatstars, beat leases, and all of that. All right, that's been this episode. I will see you all next week. Peace.